Okay, right there is Sukhumvit station, and then Asok is right over there, and they cross right here. So this is Asok station. We have a musician right here, and so we're basically gonna walk. I think Soy Cowboy is like right over on that side. Two musicians, another street musician, and we're gonna walk all the way down over here, and we're gonna get some Mexican food. And this is a really well-known Italian pizza place. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Alright, let's do it. So we're just gonna walk all the way down to a place called Miami, and we'll take the camera with me. So a lot of people are filming, not filming, I'm filming. A lot of people are selling things in the streets. A lot of activity everywhere. So let me see, I think we're gonna walk straight down to, I think it's Soy 13, I think. So we're gonna walk to Soy 13 and we'll bring the camera with me. And we'll see what we see. Some people will take the Skyways. I would take the Skyways, but I think that's not going to be the case today. Terminal 21 Asok. I wonder what time Terminal 21 closes. It's also a good place to go. Actually, it feels good to be in this area again. I've been exploring all other parts of Bangkok recently, so I haven't been over to this particular spot in a while. I forgot how lively it is. Oh dang, this same girl was here before too. Sukhumvit 19. Okay, so I think we're gonna keep on walking down all these seats here. Christmas Street. There's Terminal 21 right there. Huh. Could go in here too. Maybe we will go to Terminal 21. But this is a Asok station. I have filmed going up and down these streets before, but I think Asok in Terminal 21 is calling my name. It's gonna go to this Mexican place that I really like. But I think this is going to be a good one to go to. A lot of tourists enjoying Bangkok in this area. I forgot how special it was. I haven't been in this area for about a week or so. Just been exploring other parts of Thailand and Bangkok and trying to get to know the metro in a different way. So I've neglected this very popular area for about a week. Now I'm back. And I remember how interesting it is. Let's see. Can we go in here? I think we can. Closing. Oh, thank you. Oh, it's closed. I guess it closes at 10 o'clock. So I guess we'll be going to the other place after all. Well, it's too bad. On the plus side, we'll take the Skyway across. The Skyway is easier than walking in the streets. Let's see, we are at 4 minutes. Yeah, we'll just keep this going. And I believe to go to Skyways, we have to go down this way. I think it's this way. Is this an exit? I can't remember. There's a certain way where you can go where you're not exiting and just keep walking for a while. So I think I'm going down that one, but we'll find out in a minute. Some people are exiting and some people are continuing on, and I hope to continue on. And the Skyway is an excellent way to do it, so you don't even have to leave the space here. I don't think we can do it for very long though. It's a catch. It's Terminal 21. Yeah, I think this might be the end of it. But anyways, this is Asok. It's Terminal 21. This is Jameson Whiskey Bar. All kinds of cool stuff in this area. Looks like we can keep going, but I'm going to turn the camera off at this spot right here.
Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da movidinha.